Welcome back to another episode of Easy Money Talk, making money matters easy. Today, we're stepping into the easy 5-minute financial funk, where we take one idea, slow it down, and make it make sense. Let's talk about something simple but powerful. Money matters. Now, when I say money matters, I'm not talking about being rich. I'm not talking about Lambos, mansions, or private jets. I'm talking about the everyday decisions you make with the money you already have. Because whether you realize it or not, every time you get paid, you step into a moment of choice. A money matter is everything from earning to saving to investing to simply deciding what to do with the dollars in your hand. It's the moment you look at your check and ask, all right, what needs to happen first? And here's the part nobody teaches us. Money matters aren't just math. They're emotional. They're personal. They're tied to your goals, your fears, your habits, your past, and your future. When that check hits your account, you're not just paying bills. You're making decisions based on your short-term needs, your long-term dreams, your stress level, your upbringing, your confidence, your responsibilities, and sometimes your exhaustion. Money matters are the crossroads between who you are today and who you're trying to become. And most of us were never taught how to stand at that crossroads with clarity. We were taught how to spin. We were taught how to survive. But nobody pulled us aside and said, hey, you actually have more choices than you think. Choices like saving a little, investing a little, building a cushion, paying yourself first, or putting money toward a future you've never seen before. A money matter is simply this: a moment where you decide what your money is going to do for you instead of what the world wants you to do with it. And here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to make better money decisions. You just need clarity. You just need calm. You just need someone to break it down without judgment. That's what we do here. So the next time you get paid, don't rush. Don't panic. Don't fall into old habits. Pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, what matters to me right now? And what matters to the future me I'm trying to build? That's a money matter. And when you learn how to handle those moments with confidence, your whole financial life starts to shift. Thanks for tuning in to Easy Money Talk, where money finally makes sense. Take your time, move with clarity, and I'll see you in the next one.